Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's get to this week's channel shout out. Get rid of the past drawn. I just want to make sure they're well mixed. Oop. One already popped out, and it will be, oh sweet, Dream Creations and Adventure, Donna. Let's get to her sticker here. Alright, I'm just holding it freehand, so here's Donna's sticker. Next to Calazona Outdoors, Nicholson Family Homestead, the late Bill Melton, Fab Creations, Cat in the North, Orion, Shalissa Shell, and Ron T. Sawyer. Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching, and I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like throwing a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.